This is my lot in life now. Trying not to get hit by random things that Brandon wants to throw at me. That one scared me.
Oh, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today, we're gonna find out if Oobleck can protect this iPhone X from a freaking number 16 bear trap. It's enormous. My whole head can fit in this thing. Oobleck is super special. Can you tell us why it's super special?
Oobleck is special because it's a non-Newtonian fluid. That's fancy terms for it's very good at absorbing impact.
That means that when a lot of force is exerted on it, it turns into a solid, but if minimal force is applied to it, it flows like a liquid. It's both a liquid and a solid at the same time, and the great thing about this is that when the bear trap hits, Oobleck is going to turn into a solid. The question is, will the Oobleck be solid enough and be able to absorb that impact enough to protect that iPhone from the crazy strong jaws of the bear trap?
See, now I'm curious about this largely because Oobleck does really, really well at protecting stuff from blunt force, but not necessarily from penetrating force. So like if you shot a bullet at Oobleck, that'd be a lot different than if you hit it with like a sledgehammer.
We did try a iPhone inside of a bowl with Oobleck, and we hit it with a sledgehammer, and if you want to check out that video, link in the description, but spoiler alert, the force transferred through the Oobleck as it became a solid, and it destroyed the iPhone inside of the Oobleck. I thought for sure it would be just fine. So this might be another same situation where the force will transfer through the Oobleck right into the phone, even if the Oobleck does stop the bear trap.
I think the biggest risk here is that the bear trap will continue to apply force no matter what. So after the initial impact, which is going to be really strong, it's going to continue to apply just a lot of pressure all at once. So the Oobleck will probably sift away and it'll just be the phone left. That's my theory.
So the way we're gonna do this, we're gonna have the iPhone inside the Ziploc and we're gonna drop it on the trap. I'm really hoping the iPhone X survives. I think there's about a 50-50 chance. What do you think? Do you think it will survive? Post your opinion in the top right. What are your thoughts?
Oh, that's a tough one. I don't think so. I don't think 1 gallon is gonna be quite enough to protect
So he says
iPhone.
no, I say maybe. What do you say? Let's do this thing. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. To make the Oobleck, you just need cornstarch and water, which I've got in this bowl.
In the bowl.
And yeah, we just combine it together. Perfect, we are ready. To give you an idea of the strength of the Oobleck, I'm just gonna slam my hand against it. Stopped it completely.
Yep.
But if I slowly press in, it just goes right in. And now my hand is covered in it.
Fun fact, this is actually a very similar principle to like some quicksand that you'll find in nature.
Now the question is, what does Darren's beard look like covered in Oobleck?
I think I'm okay not knowing this. I think I'm totally okay not knowing this.
Okay, here we go. Whoa.
Looks like we're gonna need some more.
Oh man. Well, I'd say that's about the perfect amount of Oobleck for this test.
I'd say this is pretty good.
So, yeah, bear traps, super freaking dangerous. Could literally kill you if you tripped and fell head first into it. No at homies. no
at homies. Do not do this at your homies.
No, not at homies. I meant homesies, but not at your homies either. To the danger zone, where this thing's gonna flop open, so. These actually get gnarly tight. Open this up very carefully.
Yeah, just from the outside. I would honestly, do you have something you can push it over with?
Ah, got it.
Risky.
Careful. We are live. Let's go ahead and start loosening the clamps. This. Oh my God.
It is live.
Put a finger on it. I'm gonna let go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now it's time to be super freaking careful.
Yeah.
2, 1. Voila. Whoa, where did it go? It's like gone. Holy crap. Look at that. It's just like clearing off the iPhone. Oh, that is sick. Okay, so we've got the iPhone inside of this Ziploc bag right now. It's on its end being held up by this Apple cable. So it's vertical in there. We're gonna try to get the jaws to hit right about here and chomp in. Okay, iPhone 10. Let's see you survive this. Holy crap. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, did you see the way it crunched? 3,000 frames per second. Here we go. The depressing of the trigger. Oh my gosh. Okay, up comes the left, up comes the right, and it stops the bear trap. Holy crap, that Oobleck, amazing.
Yeah, no, that's really impressive how well that like held together.
Like this is like the best counter to the bear trap we've seen so far.
I think the only thing that this thing has a struggle with is because it's so soft after the impact on the slow movement, it just can't continue to protect it.
Right. As soon as the initial like compression happens, then it turns into a liquid again and it starts flowing away. The iPhone is totally fine. But the problem is it's not gonna stay that way because it only protects it for a short period of time. So Oobleck armor against bear trap equals pretty armor. If you imagine you had it around your leg, it would prevent your leg from taking any damage for the first 2 seconds. And then it would slowly, permanently clamp down on your leg and it would suck. Let's check out if that iPhone 10 survived. I don't know. Honestly, I think it's probably done. Like those teeth came in and just went right into it. Anyway, let's go ahead and open the bear trap up and find out.
Oh man, look at this up here.
The way the Oobleck protected that iPhone though was really impressive. On first impression, it doesn't look like the iPhone glass is shattered completely at least. Okay, let's find out if this iPhone's okay. I don't think it is, which is kind of crazy if you think about it, because it was like the slowest collapse of the jaws of death ever. That took like 4 seconds for the jaws to actually fully close.
It's those teeth, man. Just trying to latch on.
Yeah, one of the teeth I think got the iPhone. Let's see. Oh, it worked! Holy crap, dude! I thought for sure it was shattered. Like I could see, like the Oobleck kind of made it look like it was shattered at first glance. Oh!
The back totally is.
The back got nailed.
That looks crazy cool.
But the front
though.
is just fine.
I love the pattern here too, like the circle, then like the tentacles. This looks like it was a jellyfish.
Now, one thing that's really interesting to note too is because it was such a slow press, it wasn't as violent of cracking. The first bear trap hit and it was just like iPhone glass going everywhere.
Yeah.
Just shattered like crazy. This, on the other hand, is like a slow press in and pinch.
Yeah.
This was like a 50-50 win.
That's pretty cool.
Dude, I'm blown away right now. That was super sweet.
Yeah.
That was a great test. Holy crap. Did you guess right that the iPhone was gonna survive like that?
I was half right. I was half wrong.
Yeah, I mean, it is like a partial survival. That's really interesting. I'm giving away an iPhone 10. Link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Brandon and Darren, out. Wow, I am covered in Oobleck. Holy shit.
Yep.